How could negative mass create anti-gravity? Imagine a world where pushing an object makes it come toward you instead of moving away. This is the strange reality of negative mass. Negative mass is a theoretical idea where an object would have mass that is opposite to what we know as positive mass. This concept leads to some truly bizarre effects that could create anti-gravity phenomena. In our usual understanding of physics, mass plays two key roles. First, it resists acceleration, which we call inertial mass. Second, it generates and responds to gravitational fields, known as gravitational mass. Now, if an object had negative mass, it would behave in a completely unexpected way. For instance, if you pushed a negative mass, it would accelerate toward you instead of away. This is like physics running backward. When it comes to gravity, negative mass would generate a gravitational field that repels positive mass. This means that a negative mass would push away normal matter. Meanwhile, positive mass would still attract other positive masses as usual. However, when positive and negative masses interact, the negative mass moves toward the positive mass, while the positive mass is pushed away by the negative mass's repulsive field. This creates a strange, chasing behavior where both masses accelerate in the same direction without any external force applied. Because negative mass repels positive mass gravitationally, it effectively creates an anti-gravity effect. Instead of pulling objects together, negative mass pushes them apart. This repulsion could counteract normal gravity, leading to levitation or propulsion, effects that seem like anti-gravity. From a weird science perspective, negative mass could be thought of as a peculiar form of matter that breaks all the usual rules of motion and gravity. If it existed, it might allow for novel propulsion systems. Imagine a spacecraft using a pair of positive and negative masses connected by a rod. When you push on the system, both masses would move in the same direction, propelling the craft without needing to expel propellant. This idea is a quirky twist on Newton's laws and challenges our intuitive understanding of forces and motion. However, it is important to note that negative mass remains purely theoretical. While some solutions to Einstein's equations allow for negative mass, these solutions often involve problematic features, such as naked singularities. These are points of infinite density not hidden behind event horizons. Additionally, experiments have not found any real negative mass particles or matter. Antimatter, which is sometimes confused with negative mass, does not exhibit anti-gravity behavior. In essence, negative mass could create anti-gravity by generating repulsive gravitational fields that push normal matter away. This leads to unusual motion where forces and accelerations behave in reverse. This strange behavior opens the door to fascinating experiments and hypothetical technologies that defy conventional physics, making negative mass a captivating but enigmatic concept in the realm of mysterious forces and cosmic phenomena.